To our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Insight. So let's dive into our Facebook. So you open your Facebook, or there's our Facebook, and say that you come to here to this your profile money button. Here you when you click on this profile button, you can see your this professional dashboard. You click on the professional dashboard, and this is your insight. After the home, you can see this button up here. Click on the insight, and this is it. So you're going to see the performance of your Facebook, the impression, the reach, and the engagement, and the net followers, the 3 seconds. So just click on the see all. You can see the performance of your Facebook for the past years of using your Facebook. So this is it. This is your impression. You have this your impression for the past the month, say for the previous 28 days, your reach, where your Facebook have your post, anything of which is it you have this is the reach and the engagement. What are things that you have engaged on your 637 and your net followers. So this you didn't have a net followers, yeah. And now your 3 seconds video views, let's say this is it here. Click on it. This is it. So this is it. 1 minute video. So this is how you get to know everything about your performance, how your Facebook is growing for those that have monetized their Facebook page. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.